Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I've been getting a lot of comments from you guys requesting if I wanted to do a tutorial on how to make yourself cry. And I decided to finally record one for you. Just come in handy in case you maybe need to lie to people about feeling sad about something that you actually don't feel sad about. Maybe you just want to, maybe you want to be an actress, or there could be all kinds of reasons why you would want to make yourself cry. So yeah, let's get started. Are you ready to make yourself cry? Oh. Use your hands to hold your eyes open really wide. What you can also do is dry your bottom eyelids. Listen to very sad music and think about sad things. Another thing you can do is rub your eyes. You can also catch some wind in your eyes by go running or biking, or you could ventilate your eyes like this. This also makes you cry. You see? And lastly, there are some things that you really should not do. Because I see a lot of tips on the internet, like put tear gas in your eyes, squeeze out a lemon in your eyes, or stick physical objects into your eyes like a lamp or a table. But I strongly recommend to not do this, because you could get permanent damage to your eyes. So stay safe and good luck getting those tears. If you like this video, please like and subscribe and leave some comments in the comments.